I have a song that comes, like when I know that it's right, like I already feel like I'm playing it in front of 10,000 people. It's like when you get it, it's not like building a building or something. It's like there's this thing that already exists and you're just finding it, and then you have to. You hear songwriters talk about this all the time. You just find a song. You just like somehow you just work, and then you're lucky enough to get to that space where it just like this thing opens up and it kind of like comes through, and then you just have to just figure out what it is to, how to clothe it or whatever, and it's already there. And I think what's unique about this is that what's coming through in what we're doing is unique.
Meant for something higher, we just start in an opposite state. Because that's the basic structure, and then there's going to be a bridge. The song has like a bit of irony in it, so it should have a feel of humor, kind of. It's a little bit ironic, like you're saying, you're like applauding the quitter that's inside of you, so that's kind of like a funny thing. Usually you don't think of quitting as like a positive thing. But that's the twist in the song, is that it's like quit, because it's just, it's time to quit this crap. So that's where it's going, and the song's got this a real kind of lazy feel. Just.
Do we actually have to finish the song, or can we just?
Yeah. No, we should finish the song. We should finish the song.
Let's do it.
All right. It's bitter. Just taste it. Sweet don't mean nothing when my heart is in a street. I'm happy to be a quitter. The quitter in you can quit this place, this goddamn bull race.
Seth came, he started playing in 2 hours. We had the best recorded demo with the lyrics finished, everything there, already parts laid out. That never happens. I mean, musicians can churn out stuff pretty quickly, and I've done that in my past. But to come up with something, and through unity with somebody else, to be like in the same space, not just the musical space, but the heart space, the intention. It's like you're almost one person. You are an individual, but you are beyond the individual. You're with another person, and already knowing what it is for, that there's going to be other musicians, and the intent of the whole session to spread that feeling even beyond that. So that was felt. That to me was the magic.
Speed up the day.
Great. It sounds really good. Everything's together. I don't want you to blow out everything here. We're gonna go for a take. I really want you I want it to come from you. I don't want the inflections of that stuff. Come straight from you, and then add that stuff into it as an emphasis. A little straighter.
Okay.
Start out straight.
I'm actually just getting an instinct that I'm not like thinking it out, so.
Go a little straighter.
I'll try.
The quitter is opposite to what you might think it means in this world. In Kabbalah, that force of egoism that grows inside of a person that says, this is not enough, or this is too painful for me, I'm going, is actually a good force. It's really the force of development in a person. If we understand what it is, if we know how to use it and we know how to transform that thing, the quitter in a person is actually their best friend, because it makes them eventually come to quit things that are meaningless, that are destructive, that are selfish, and it allows a person to move to a completely new kind of a world, a new way of being. You finally quit all of these egoistic desires, and you become willing to do what it takes to go to a new and a better place. That quitter, That's called a point in the heart, and that's a good thing.
Brew a bitter drink, hold the sweets. It's bitter, just taste it. Sweet don't mean nothing when my heart is in the street. I'm happy to be a quitter. The quitter in you can quit this place. God awful race. We're meant for something higher. We just start in an opposite state. The quitter in you can quit this place. God awful race. We're meant for something higher. We just start in an opposite state. I'm sour, don't judge me. Not right, it's not too late. You're invited to the party. Come on, it's gonna be great. Bypass the prophecy, speed up the days. Round about 3 a.m., meet me at the gate. The quitter in you can quit this place. This god awful race. We're meant for something higher. We just start in an opposite state. The quitter in you can quit this place. This god awful race. We're meant for something higher. We just start in an opposite state. This is it. The time has come. The map led to a book, which led to you, and now we can't be one. Place, god awful race. We're meant for something higher. We just start in an opposite state. The quitter in you can quit this place. This god awful race. We're meant for something higher. We just start in an opposite state. Bitter drink, hold the sweet. It's bitter, just taste it.